Welcome back to Home Decor, where home design meets tranquility. If you love the warm, cozy feel of a countryside home but also want a space that's cool, healthy, and close to nature, this video is just right for you. Today, we're going to explore 7 biophilic design touches you can easily add to your rustic-style home. No need for major renovations. Just a few simple changes can make your home feel more alive, natural, and inviting. Let's get started. A key feature of biophilic design is a visual connection to nature, meaning your home has a direct visual link to the outdoors. In a rustic home, this can be achieved with large wooden-framed windows, free of iron bars, so your view outside remains open and unobstructed. If your yard is full of greenery, or even just as one big tree, it instantly becomes a natural painting for your interior. Make sure to use sheer curtains, or skip them entirely in private areas to let natural light flood in. This not only enhances the rustic charm, but also makes your home feel fresher and more alive. Indoor plants are a must-have if you want to bring a biophilic vibe into your home. But to keep it in harmony with a rustic style, avoid using brightly colored plastic pots. Instead, go for clay pots, cement planters, woven rattan baskets, or even repurposed zinc buckets. Plants like monstera, pothos, or rubber plants are perfect choices. They thrive indoors and have bold leaf shapes that complement rustic textures beautifully. Place them in corners on wooden shelves or hang them near windows. The more variety and height levels, the better the overall look and natural feel. The sound of trickling water can help reduce stress and enhance the comfort of your home. If you have a yard or a patio, consider adding a small pond or a simple water fountain made of stone or clay jars. For indoor spaces, you can use a small tabletop water feature placed on a table or in a cozy corner. Just make sure the water stays clean and odor-free. Beyond its relaxing effect, the sound of water adds a natural touch that makes your rustic home feel even more connected to nature. Biophilic design and rustic style share a strong common ground: the use of natural materials, especially wood. But here's the key: choose wood with visible texture, even pieces with cracks or knots. Exposed wood, wall panels made from pine or reclaimed spruce, and open ceiling beams are perfect examples. Avoid overly smooth or glossy finishes. Let the natural texture and raw color of the wood take center stage, bringing warmth, character, and a deeper connection to nature into your space. Biophilic design isn't just about visual elements. Physical sensations like airflow matter too. Create cross-ventilation in your rustic home, such as a front door and back window that can be opened at the same time. Add wooden grills above doors, rattan vents in bedrooms, or air gaps beneath the ceiling. This natural airflow keeps your home cooler without relying heavily on air conditioning, making it healthier, more energy efficient, and aligned with a nature-inspired lifestyle. Biophilic design also engages the sense of smell. In a rustic home, you can bring in natural scents from dried flowers like lavender, cinnamon sticks, or essential oils such as lemongrass and cedarwood. Place them in the kitchen, living room, or even a bathroom. Use ceramic or rattan diffusers to keep the look aligned with the rustic style. Soft, natural aromas will make your home feel like a retreat in the heart of the forest. Texture is often an overlooked element in home design, yet it plays a crucial role, especially if you're aiming for a rustic atmosphere with a biophilic touch. You can incorporate natural textures through elements like jute or water hyacinth rugs, neutral-colored linen curtains, cushion covers made from burlap or hand-woven cotton, and vases crafted from natural stone or cement. This combination of textures not only provides gentle sensory stimulation but also adds comfort and enhances the warm, natural ambience of your home. Those were 7 biophilic touches you can seamlessly blend into your rustic home. It's not just about style, it's also about creating a space that supports your health, comfort, and peace of mind. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments.